Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Figma to design social media avatars consistently, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Figma and create a new file. Set up your canvas by choosing a suitable size for social media avatars, typically around 500 by 500 pixels. Design a simple outline for your avatar using the shape tools. Use the ellipse tool to create a circular base for your avatar. Adjust the size of the circle to fit your desired look. Select the circle and apply a fill color that matches your theme. Add facial features using simple shapes like circles and rectangles. For eyes, use small ellipses and customize their colors. For a mouth, you can use a curved line or a small rectangle positioned appropriately. Group the facial features together for easier manipulation. Experiment with different hairstyles using custom shapes or the pen tool. Layer the hairstyle behind the face to maintain a natural look. Incorporate additional elements like accessories or backgrounds to enhance the design. Use the color picker to ensure all elements match your overall color scheme. Consider adding shadows or highlights to give depth to your avatar. Once satisfied with your design, position your avatar centrally on the canvas. Check the alignment and ensure everything looks balanced. When ready, select your completed avatar and go to the top menu. Click on File, then choose Export. In the export settings, select the appropriate file format, such as PNG or JPEG. Set the export size and resolution to ensure high quality. Click the Export button to save your avatar to your computer. Repeat the process for different characters or styles to create a consistent look. Organize your designs in folders for easy access later. Keep practicing and experimenting to refine your avatar design skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.